Now I have not even used this, and I've had this at least a couple years when I bought the combo set. So I'm impressed with the whole Kobalt 24V Max line. This is their reciprocating saw that comes with that combo set. By itself, I'll put the price up here at the time. And then as a combo pack, it was a pretty good deal to get this and the drill and the 1/4 inch impact, as well as the work light. So I think it also did come with 4-amp battery set and charger. I'm going to leave this off while we load up the blade. It does come with a blade. I'm going to use a DeWalt that I bought from a set that's just a little bit longer, and this one is for wood with nails, but it did come with smaller bimetal, just a little shorter. Mounts are the same. I'll use that for another day. I think I'll just use this DeWalt one. This has a lever to let you adjust the length of that shoe. I'm just going to keep it tucked all the way in. This is what lets you release the blade. Of course, I am doing this without the battery on. Again, this is the first time I've used this. Now I've got 3 bars on my battery of the 4, and I swear it never goes down. So it's got a safety lock, so it's a push-through safety lock. So that's unlocked, that's locked. You get an LED light on there. We'll unlock. I'm going to just cut some wood. I've got some of these branches I want to cut down just for the fire pit over there. Pretty quiet, pretty smooth. And again, I'm doing this not in the best way with one hand holding, and you should use 2 hands, but just wanted to get some of these cut up a little bit here. Alright, pretty nice. Put that in the locked.